The NASDAQ stock dipped into a correction after falling 10% from its all-time high. The S&P 500 also had a pullback after falling 15% from its last all-time high. Tech stocks like Nvidia, Meta, and Tesla, they've gone into the bear market because they have had pullbacks of over 20% in the market. In the words of a wise man, he says, whenever a market has a pullback of about 10%, we call it a correction. Whenever that drawdown is about 10 to 15%, we call it a slight pullback in the market. And whenever that drawdown from its all-time high is about 20% or more, we are officially entering into a bear market. But all this drawdown is normal in the market because markets do not just go up in a straight line. And without the fall, you would never ever get the rise. So here's what you shouldn't do during the fall. One, never panic sell. Two, stop checking your portfolio obsessively like a lady that is going to check her ex social media, or the reverse in this case. And don't forget your long-term plan. Because in forgetting your long-term plan, you rush into selling off. So what should you do instead? Yes, ask me. In this time, you need to, one, stay calm. Stay calm. Two, stick to your strategy. When you stick to your strategy, there's something called dollar cost averaging. So you start buying your way down or buying your way as it's going up. With that, you can even the buys. And then finally, what you should do is to focus on what you can control. Sometimes you may not be able to control the fundamental news in the market. You might not be able to control the on-chain analysis, the news for technical news. However, just don't lose your focus. When you focus on what you can control, you will definitely win this market over time. You already know that for Bitcoin, it's not a situation of us. As far as government continues to print money, Bitcoin will continue to go higher because we just have 21 million Bitcoins in a world where we have 8 billion people. You do the maths. Fiat is programmed to fail, and Bitcoin is programmed to go to the moon. So keep stacking, and let's also help you to stack. Whenever Bitcoin falls about 10%, 20% in the market, we simply call that a Tuesday. If you have had the experience of being in the cryptocurrency market, you have such type of drawback or pullback in the market. We just call that type of day a Tuesday, like, oh, yeah, Bitcoin is volatile and it's short term. And because Bitcoin is volatile and it's short term, we will be able to ride it out. I want you to know that you are a winner. So stay bold and do the things that I've told you to do. Focus on the things that you cannot control. Stay calm during uncertain market conditions, and you will definitely win. Write a comment below and say Bitcoin so that we can know that you are following this content. Until next time, my very good friends, see you.